Alright, so this video is going to show you how to take a regular Flash animation and get it all the way into an XNA game. So first thing we have to do is get an animation. I chose this one. And we gotta set it up right. The instance name of it has to be guy, and the linkage identifier has to be hero. Let's put them aside. We have some code to make it work too. We make him, and then we set him to the same size as whatever guy we're using. In this case here. Then we just set the position of each of the frames, and it should work perfectly. So these are all 20 frames. This number here, you need to change that to however many frames there are. In my animation I only have 20, so I put 20. So we'll do this, and then we'll take a screen capture of it. Now we have it here. Alright, now we're going to define a pattern for the sprites. All we do is we make a new file, and we're going to have 2 rows of the cells that are the same size as the sprites. This is going to help us position the sprites where we want them, so then they animate right on the ground, because you don't want them floating around. And we're going to have a couple different animations, so they need to be positioned right. So just get a few boxes of this, some different colors. Now we go to edit, define pattern, my pattern. Alright, so here's the clipping you took a second ago. Just copy it, go to Photoshop, make a new file, and paste it in. We're going to take out this white background. Delete that so you can tell. And now we want to position him. So take the paint bucket, go to pattern, and you should see a pattern here at the bottom. Now we're going to move him. That looks pretty good. But he still has all this white around him. So zoom in a little bit. Take the magic wand again with a low number. Make sure none of these are checked, because that'll mess it up a little bit. Take out some of this extra stuff. Make sure you don't delete anything like the eyes or like that. That won't be good. Alright, now he's smooth. So for XNA to have transparent color, all it has to be is pink. Has to be pink. 255 red, 0 green, and 255 blue. Make sure it's those exact numbers, otherwise it won't work. Now save it as a PNG. Run. And should be good to go. Alright, so far so good. We have the picture. I have Visual Studio open, and here's my content. So if I just add existing item, go to your folder. This is where I'm at. Hero run. Yes. I already have all this set up. I have the 20 frames, the array, all of this. So if we run it, you should see it working really good. And it does. That's all there is to it. Yeah.